MV Chef, and now I'd like to walk you through my refrigerator, go on a little tour of what I have in there right now, and you can get the general idea. So here it is. Follow me. Have no fear. Refrigerator is here. Okay, so I'll start with the door. I have a couple different butter substitutes. This is my go-to, and I have yet to try this one. I have more butter substitutes in cube form, and I have some Parmesan cheese alternatives, dairy-free. Very good, very tasty. Some cream cheese alternatives. It's that regular one and a herbed one. And your standard condiments. Oh, here's a vegan Worcestershire sauce. And it's vegan because it does not contain anchovies. So, different ketchup, mustard, sauces. Oh, soy bacon bits. Whoops. Refrigerator is not cooperating today. So bacon bits. And what else do I have down here? I have a apple cider vinegar, and I have some tofu that I haven't used. There we go. Apple cider vinegar is very good, very healthy for you. Tofu, I have organic maple syrup, which is a nice sweetener alternative, sugar alternative. What is this? This is a non-dairy organic ranch dressing I have yet to try. Look at that. All kinds of goodies out there now. And then going over here, I've got shredded non-dairy Parmesan cheese and a couple of yogurts, non-dairy yogurts. Adult beverage. I don't know that that's vegan, but it's mainly vegan. Just some different beverages. I usually have soy creamer or coconut creamer, but they were all out. So I've got my trusty soy milk back there. Okay, and then down here I've got several different mayo substitutes, and they just use oil instead of eggs in most cases. My favorite is veganese. Got some homemade pesto and some black beans there. Yeah, veganese. So I use that in dressings and dips, all sorts of recipes calling for mayonnaise, potato salad, you name it. And then down here I just have onions and garlic, and vegetables, potatoes, mushrooms, just your standard, nothing too fancy. I'm kind of embarrassed to even film this because I don't know if anything's gonna reach out and grab me. I recently cleaned this out, so it shouldn't be too bad. And I always put my avocados and my tomatoes in my fruit drawer. Technically they are fruit. And here we have my faux meats and cheeses in here. This is the bomb. I love this field roast sausage. Some different faux bacons, lunch meat slices, cheese, rice, mozzarella. There's almond mozzarella. Different cheddars. give you an idea what the inside of my refrigerator looks like for all of you curious out there. Thanks for joining me on that refrigerator tour, and I'll see you next time.